All right, welcome back. Let's talk about the trade that I took today, July 10th, on NAS100 on Friday. Okay, so this is back replay mode Friday around 9:30, right when the market opens. And as you can see here, I'm looking at the structure. We're looking at a downtrend. However, once we get down here, price pretty much came back up, which is why this is here. This is a low, right? And on the higher time frame, this is the last high, lower high. So once price pretty much breaks and retests this, we're in an uptrend, which price did. We end up breaking back down, respecting this area, break back up, break back down, respect this area on this trend line. So we got a trend line here that's going up, right? So I'm thinking about looking. I'm thinking about looking at buys. However, when we look on a 30-minute time frame, you see pretty much there's this big area of resistance here, right? Let me go back to the 1 minute because this is the time frame I took today's trade in. Um, I really wasn't interested in taking any trades today based off the market because down here at the bottom we're clearly not going down, but up here at the top, I'm getting some indecision candles. Like, let the market play at market open. I got some indecision candles and stuff. Okay, but once the market opened, we end up shooting up, and I'm like, okay, cool. I think we're definitely looking at buys. Um, so let me continue. Let me do a little bit. Go back a little bit. All right. So at this point, market is going up. Market is going up. I'm starting to see some candles starting to look a little strange. All right. Market is going up. So market is going up. Let me see. Oh, right. Okay, I'm tripping. I was like, wait. So what happened was market is going up. Market shot up. Market shot down. I wasn't really sure because when market shot up like this, I'm like, okay, buys. I got my first red candle. It got engulfed. At that point, I was expecting price to come up here, but as you can see, price ended up dropping way down. So I'm like, I really don't know what we're doing. However, we see price was respecting its trend line. So I'm like, okay, buys. So as you can see, price made a higher high. So I'm thinking, all right, I'm looking to buy. At this point, that's when I noticed on the 30-minute, right? I'm like, price, we need to get up in this area. And I'm thinking maybe I can take a buy. We cannot buy in this area. As you can see, this is the area that price rejects. Okay. Drop back down to the 1 minute. So as you can see, price came down a little bit. Price came down a lot. Go back to the 30-minute. So I'm looking at the 30-minute candle. The 30-minute candle is almost over. Okay. Out of the entire 30 minutes, we're starting to reject to the upside. And I'm like, this is pretty heavy. If I go to the 4 hour, same thing. You see, we're starting to reject, 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 reject. Right now, if I take a line and right across these tops here, reject, 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 reject. When we're above, reject, go up, 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 reject, go up. When we're below, you see it rejects, goes down. So therefore, once my setup, I got a tweezer top, tweezer top, tweezer top, tweezer top. I got 4, 5 tweezer top. I got 5 tweezer tops. I got my rejection candle against the zone, another rejection candle against the zone. Then I got an engulfed green candle that broke through this zone, broke through this zone. Bet it's time to draw my zone. And it's time to wait for price to tap me in and go short the market. So once price tapped me in, I got into this trade a little bit down here because this candle didn't close. It rejected. Once it started rejecting, it started going down. And I'm like, I was waiting for, see, there's a couple types of entries I take. Once this candle gets engulfed, once this next candle tap my zone, I get in immediately that's aggressive. Or getting conservative, I wait for this candle to finish. Or I can get in at the break of this candle. Once this price broke this zone up in here, that's when I got in. I didn't like how it finished, made me nervous. I probably would have waited if I would have saw how it finished. I didn't like how it finished. And as you can see, I almost got stomped out. Right there, I almost got stomped out. I was worried. Like you see here, like you see how these 2 green candles just started engulfing. And I was like, all right, well, if I lose, I lose, right? However, when this candle finished like this, I said, wait, there's hope. Once this candle finished like this, we got what? We got another tweezer top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 goddamn tweezer tops. I'm like, we got to sell. This is ridiculous. So price, another tweezer top came in, almost stumped me out again. Then what happened? Price started cooking. Boom. Once price started cooking, I actually dropped my TP down to this next zone. And then I end up getting out like here. I end up getting out right around here. Because once price came down, I was like, dude, I don't like how the market's moving today. I don't like all this. I don't like being in drawdown this long. Once price got down here, we broke the zone. We're coming close to this zone, which we can retrace. Price is respecting this trend line. Give me my money. I took my profits. Right? Price came up and pow. Price, I don't know what that was. A lot of people in the group that I trade with got stomped out. I don't trade the group, man. I trade on my own. They all got demolished. And that's the win. That's the win for today.